If you're thinking about signing up for Roadie this year, here's a quick review to help you figure out if it's worth your time. As a Roadie driver, you're delivering packages, not passengers or food. The jobs come from local businesses, retailers, and even individuals. Most gigs are same day or next day, and you can accept offers that match your route or schedule. You're basically getting paid to deliver stuff you might already be headed near anyway. You open the app when you're free, look at available gigs, and choose the ones that make sense for you. The pay varies a lot depending on distance, package size, and delivery urgency. Most short local trips pay around $8 to $15, while long distance or multi-stop gigs can hit $50 to $100 or more. You'll see all the details before you accept: the pickup and drop off, how much it pays, and how far it is. That's a big plus, but keep in mind you're responsible for your own gas, wear and tear, and any delays. Roadie doesn't offer any bonuses or peak pay like some other platforms, and jobs aren't always consistent depending on your area. The app also now supports instant payouts in most regions, so you don't have to wait long to get paid. If you live near a major metro or travel often, Roadie can be a great way to earn extra cash on your own terms. But if you're in a smaller town or need guaranteed daily work, it might not be consistent enough to rely on full time.